Now that you subscribe to our farm share, you'll get an email each week letting you know what's in your share and encouraging you to customize it to suit your needs and preferences. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to do that. If you pick up your order on Tuesdays, you will receive an email by Saturday afternoon with a link to the ordering portal. You will have until Monday at 6 a.m. to customize your share. Thursday and Friday pickups, you'll get your email by Monday at 5 p.m. and have until Wednesday at 6 a.m. to customize. First, click on the link in the email to be taken to our ordering portal. If you don't have your email, you can always visit sustainableharvestfarm.com and use the ordering portal link in the menu. You might need to log into your account, but once you do that, you'll be taken to the current week's order. This is the order detail page. If you weren't automatically brought to this page when you log in, you can get there by clicking your name, Overview, and View Order. From this page, it's really easy to make adjustments to your weekly share. Just scroll down, find the item that you want to make adjustments to. Say, let's add another cucumber. I'm going to click the plus sign, hit Update, and when I scroll back down, you can see now I have 2 cucumbers coming in my share that week instead of just 1. Another thing to note is that if you scroll down toward the bottom of this page, you'll see that I have now a balance of $2 that's due because I added an extra cucumber to my order. So if you're a farm share subscriber, you get a credit in your account each week that's equivalent to the value of that week's farm share. If you go over that amount, like I have here with the extra cucumber, that is going to be charged to the payment method that you have on file. So what happens if I remove items and go under that week's credit amount? Let's say I remove the cucumbers completely. So I just click Remove, then Remove from Order. And when it updates, you can see no more cucumbers. And I have a credit on my account now of $2. Eventually, you will see that amount show up over here on the credit account area. It's not there yet because the window to adjust my order hasn't closed yet, so don't worry if you don't see it show up right away. All credits will be applied manually by Sustainable Harvest Farms as needed to your account balance. That means if you want some additional items next week, your credit may help cover those. Be aware though that credits aren't meant to carry over year to year, so try your best to use them before the end of the season. Another way you could use up this credit is by checking up here at the top of the page, right here in the products section. It looks like this week we've got cantaloupes and watermelon that are also available. Looks like the watermelon costs $6. I'm going to add one to my cart. Now if I go back to my cart, I can see that it's added here at the bottom. So my order total is $41.65. If I go to the overview page and scroll down here, there it is, my order total is $41.65. That means I have a balance due of 75 cents, and that's going to be charged to my payment method that I have on file. You do have the option to place a hold on your regular weekly order. Sometimes you'll hear us refer to these as vacation holds. It's just any time that you're not going to be able to come pick up your order when it's delivered for the week. So let me show you how to do that through the portal. You're going to want to click on your name, and in the drop-down menu Subscription, you're going to get to the Subscriptions page. You're able to click on this Options drop-down menu, but the way I like to place a hold is down here at the calendar. So I'm going to find the date and click it, and it's going to bring up all the options for the week. So you can see on June 18th, I'm scheduled to get a regular farm share and a cheese share. So say I have just too much cheese. I can check this and put that particular subscription on hold. Oh, sorry, you need to check it this way. I can put the cheese subscription on hold, or I can put the regular farm share and the cheese subscription on hold, or just a regular farm share. I just click Put Subscription on Hold, and I get a confirmation that says the hold has been created. I'll also get a confirmation email about that. Now what do I do if I actually decide I want that order? Go back to the calendar, click on the date where you have the hold placed, and click on the subscription information. It's going to take you to the subscription detail page where you can scroll down and delete your hold. And just like that, your order's back on. A few things to know about holds. Holds must be placed at least 4 days before your order is scheduled to be delivered. Any closer to your delivery date, and we may have already started the process of harvesting, cleaning, and packing your order. When you place a hold on an order, the dollar value of that order will be credited to your account when the order delivers, so don't worry if you don't see it show up the day you place the hold. When you purchase a farm share, we use your payment towards seeds, plants, labor, and all the other expenses that grow into growing the highest quality organic food. Although we do allow you to place a hold or two as a courtesy, our model works on the mutual understanding that you've committed to the full season's worth of produce. If you really can't use your share that week, consider gifting it to a friend or neighbor to pick up, or let us know through the Contact Us page and we can donate it to a local food bank. One last tip before we go. If there's ever an issue or you need to get us a message, it's easy to contact us right in the ordering portal. Just go up to the Contact Us link and fill out the form to let us know something that you particularly loved, a question that you have, or something that you might like to see different. We love to hear from our customers. That's it. Thank you for being a Sustainable Harvest Farm customer. It's our privilege to provide you with the freshest, highest quality organic produce straight from London to your home. Happy eating!